How to put someone on hold on iPhone. First of all, let's go ahead and open up the phone application. From here, I'll just tap on the Recents tab on the bottom. Since you need to be on an active call for this process, I'll call a contact from here just to demonstrate. I'll wait for them to receive the call. As you can see, the call has now been received. In order to put it on hold, just tap and hold the mute button right over here. After a moment, the call will go on hold. Now, if you want to stop, you can just tap on it again to unhold, or just hang up if you want. You can follow the same process to put any call on hold. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily put someone on hold on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.